Making time for self-care in our hectic lives can be tough. We rush from one obligation to the next, filling every void in our lives with work, school, family, and social activities. The turmoil of modern life makes it even more crucial that we take the time to care for our own bodily and emotional well-being. If you're having trouble with your personal self-care, consider following these 5 suggestions to help you improve your behaviors. 1. Incorporate self-care into your daily routine. Make time for self-care when you're arranging your weekly routine. By incorporating it into your routine, you will be more likely to commit to self-care because you will have set out time for it. The more frequently you practice self-care, the more it will become a habit and a regular part of your life. 2. Be selfish and do what is best for you. Everyone's definition of self-care is different. Some people enjoy getting outside, others enjoy catching up with friends, and yet others prefer to stay at home and lose themselves in a good book or movie. Determine what helps you feel better and make a commitment to it. Don't be put off by what others think of as self-care. Long walks aren't for everyone. 3. Exercise gratitude. Practicing thankfulness on a regular basis is a beneficial habit and a wonderful way to spend your allotted self-care time. Spend some time each day or week writing down 3 things for which you are grateful. Rather than repeating the same frequent things each time, try to think of anything unique that happened that week. It may be challenging at first, but as you practice gratitude, it will become easier. Participating in thankfulness exercises on a regular basis trains your brain to be more thankful and positive about the things you have in your life, rather than focusing on what you don't have or what isn't going so well. 4. Take a risk and try something new. Trying new things is a great way to break up the monotony of daily living. Your mental health will benefit, and you will gain new abilities, not only from the activity itself, but also from managing your nerves and being open to new opportunities. It is an excellent approach to maintain your mental and, depending on the activity, physical health. 5. Remove yourself from social media. Social media can be a terrific way to stay in touch with friends and family, but it can also breed animosity through comparison. If you're feeling overwhelmed or stuck in a rut, disconnect from social media to become more present and rejuvenate in the real world.